This video is going to be about how to make your own biomagnetism magnets. So you need really good quality leather with 3M backing already on it. Do not scrimp on the quality of leather that you get. I had ordered some, it was like a wider sheet, and it was a nice bright red, and it came and it was so flimsy that I sent it back. So this works well for me. It's from a company, and they're all sold out of the red, so I had to get burgundy, but it's called Online Leather Repair Tape is what it's called. So I usually get black and another color for the positive side and black for the negative side of a magnet. But this time I thought I would switch up my magnets and do a nice deep burgundy wine. And I've already got the circles cut. And I'm going to do my negative side of the magnet in white. So first thing you want to do is get really nice quality. This is a 1.5 inch Neodymium magnet. I've already figured out which side is my positive, which side is my negative, and there's a few different ways to do that, but I also invested in a Gauss meter so that I know the Gauss strength of a magnet. So for instance, this says test on here, this right here, it says test. On the other side, there's measurements. So I have the test facing out, and when I touch it, excuse me, it tells me that this is the south polarity. And if I switch it over, it tells me it is the negative polarity. So I can just go across this. I know that this is the south polarity, and it's showing me that it is 1,700. I don't know if you can see that, but it's 1,729 Gauss strength. So plenty strong enough to do biomagnetism. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take the backing off of my negative, or of the white side, because I want my negative magnet to be on the white side. So I'm just going to put it right in the center. This has 3M backing on it as well, these particular magnets. So negative side, I'm going to put it right in the center, okay? And this is my positive side of my magnet here. And I'm just going to know that. There we go. And kind of do it like a pie. And I'll probably have to trim the edges of it to make it really, really nice and neat. But this is my negative side. This is my positive side of my magnet. And it's a really nice, strong magnet. It's nice and big. I will have to kind of trim it. I don't sell these, so it doesn't matter too much how exact it is. But when the magnets are covered like this, it's so much easier to use. And they'll still stick to another magnet. Like say, for instance, here's one of Dr. Garcia's magnets. So that'll still stick, but I can easily take them apart, right? They're not like bare magnets where they stick together. It's almost impossible to get them apart. So I'm going to continue kind of making sure that this is nice and tight, and then I'll just kind of trim that up. But this is a nice neodymium strength magnet for biomagnetism, and I switched it up. The white side is my negative, and I'll know that, and the colored side is my positive. Okay, hope that helps someone be able to get your own biomagnetism magnets, and even just placing on the positive side on the left side of the body and the negative side of a magnet on the right side of the body, and holding it like that is equivalent to grounding the body. Pretty cool, eh?